Close it really tight. And let's soak it up. Removing dry soil is crucial to improve the life of your rug and have many benefits in your health and your indoor air quality in your house, especially if you have pets, cats, or there is a lot of traffic area. This rug is in front of the front door, so it has a lot of traffic area. Even though you are seeing really fast that we are vacuum, this is like 5x, 5 speed. So you are seeing that we are vacuum fast, but we are taking our time. For YouTube purpose, we speed the process, and you are seeing right now that we are using our Kirby Centria and the clear track with the filter mirror or clear, because that's our way to show you how much dust we collect in this little tiny rug. This is a pretty house in Windermere, and it's in really good shape, the house. We are just doing a demo for the rug to show you how good is this vacuum, and how you can see the dust itself. As I mentioned before, some people have allergies, asthma, they sneeze, and a good trick to avoid or minimize those symptoms for allergy is to vacuum regularly, once a week. Take your time, do it in 4 directions as I mentioned before, and try to remove all the dry soil, because that's the first step in order to have your rugs really clean. Amazing how you pick it up, all the dust. Looks like a cake, like a taco, I don't know. But if you need our services, just call us at 407-572-4118. It looks like a taco. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So that's my way to show you actually the dust, because sometimes you have the vacuum that have a bag and you cannot see how much dust you can collect. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. Don't stop. Un montón.